Howdy, this is Rosie Arcelay, a technical writer at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. Today, I will show you how to use external authentication to log in to your cPanel account. External authentication allows you to use third-party authentication to log in to your cPanel and Webmail accounts. cPanelID is cPanel's third-party authentication service. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to register your cPanel ID, link your cPanel account to your cPanel ID, and use your cPanel ID to log in to cPanel and Webmail. First, let's register for a cPanel ID. Navigate to your cPanel login interface. You will see the text boxes for your username and password, followed by a blue login button. Below that section, click Login via cPanel ID. The cPanel ID login interface will appear. From the cPanel ID login interface, click Create a new account under Login. The cPanel Customer Portal login interface will appear. Enter your email address in the full email text box. Read the cPanel Terms of Use if you haven't yet. To read the cPanel Terms of Use, click on the link of the same name. This will open a new window titled Legal Notices. Read it through. You have the option at the end of the document to print or save the Terms of Use. Once you're finished, close that window or tab and return to the cPanel Customer Portal login. From the cPanel Customer Portal login, select the I agree to the cPanel Terms of Use checkbox. Then, click Send Password. The customer portal will email you an activation link. Check your email and click the activation link. The cPanel Customer Portal interface will appear. Enter a password in the new password text box. Confirm the password in the Verify Password text box. Click Generator to have the system generate a strong password for you. I'll use the password I entered here. To finish, click Change to save your new password. The cPanel Customer Portal login interface will appear. Enter the cPanel ID email and password that you just set up. If you want the system to remember your credentials, select the Remember Me checkbox. Then, click Login. You may be asked once again to agree to the cPanel Terms of Use. Select the checkbox to agree, then click Go Back. The cPanel Customer Portal dashboard will appear. You now have a cPanel ID, so let's return to the cPanel login interface. In the cPanel login interface, click Login with a cPanel ID. The cPanel ID login interface will appear. Enter your cPanel ID email address and password. Then click Login. You will see a request from the cPanel ID system to access your profile information. You can click Approve Always to permanently link your account, or you can click Approve to link the account only for this session. If you click Deny, well, you won't be able to get in at all, could you? The cPanel login interface will appear once you approve the access. The interface will indicate that your cPanel ID isn't linked to a cPanel account and will ask to connect them. Enter your cPanel account username and password in the corresponding text boxes. Then, click Log In. The cPanel Home interface will appear. Your cPanel ID is now linked to your cPanel account. You will receive an email that indicates that you can now log in to your cPanel account via cPanel ID. Let me show you where to manage the credentials of your cPanel ID. In the cPanel Home interface, scroll down to the Preferences section and click on Password and Security. You can also click on your username, located at the top of the interface. Then, select Password and Security from the menu. The Password and Security interface will appear. Scroll down to the External Authentication section. You will see the cPanel ID account information there. And that's it! You have now linked your cPanel ID to your cPanel account. For more information about cPanel, visit cPanel.com or follow us on Twitter @cPanel. Subscribe to our channel and leave us a question or a comment down below. Thanks for watching.